Ever wondered what would happen if you tried to eat lunch next to a black hole? Spoiler alert, it gets weird. Imagine taking a bite of your sandwich, and from your friend's perspective, watching from Earth, that bite takes hundreds of years. Yeah, that's some serious slow motion eating. Here's the wild part, you wouldn't notice anything different. Time would feel totally normal to you, but everyone back home would be living through generations while you're still working on your first bite. The closer you get to the black hole, the more extreme this time difference becomes. Your potato chips would stay fresh for centuries, and your soda wouldn't go flat for 1,000 years. Want to learn more mind-bending facts about black holes and everyday life? Hit that follow button. We're just getting started with the weirdest picnic in the universe.